What's going on, everybody? Yo, 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 welcome back to the show. Today it's me and May featuring back on the channel after a long absence.
Just 2 weeks.
Just
Not
2 weeks.
very long.
Do you know this band? 5 years, or is it Sugar? Sugar Hiccup is the band. Do you know them?
Is this Filipino band?
I think so. Let's find out.
Okay, let's see.
Sugar Hiccup drop a hint of what they sound like with their name, which is taken from a song by dream pop pioneers, the Cocteau Twins. So Sugar Hip Hop is a Filipino band formed in Manila with Melody Del Mundo, Jandro Polak, how do you pronounce that? Czandro. You need to get your eyes checked. Alright, so yes, they are Filipino. Okay, you ready? Alright, 5 years by Sugar Hiccup. Let's check this out. I have no idea what we're going to get here. Thank you for making the request. And let's do it. Little bass.
What is it?
This is different. Very different.
I like the intro.
Wow, this is different. What was
Yeah,
that?
I like the intro.
It's
It's like lullaby.
it's chill too, though. It's like very. It almost reminds me a little bit of like a Massive Attack almost. I don't know if this.
Massive Attack.
That's a band.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
No, Massive Attack is a hip hop sort of trip hop band from the UK, but this is like very atmospheric.
Very long.
Huh?
Very.
I don't think it's an intro. I think that's the song.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's just different. It's just I'm sure they have different songs that are different.
But he will never be.
Oh my god. I like that part. Nice. Nice. It's like good sound effects for like fighting like wars.
That was different. It was definitely had some abstract, experimental flavor. The first 3/4 of the song was just
Maybe
like,
the first one.
more than half of the song was just
Like
like the
what?
build up to like that final like solo vocal solo almost.
I thought she's actually like she's gonna sing.
She only had a couple bars of actual lyrics.
Yeah.
The rest of it was kind of just like vocalization. Like experimental vocals,
Mm.
like singing, but like kind of
Like, yeah.
screaming almost. Not screaming, but like. I don't know. I can't. You know what I mean, right? Though,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like you know.
Mhm.
So that was very different than most of the Filipino bands that I've heard so far on the channel. Where it's definitely the
Well,
most
the-
experimental, the most abstract, the most
Yeah.
far left field.
Mhm.
You've never heard of them.
What?
You've never heard of the band?
Oh no, no, I don't think so. No, yeah. Compared to Eraserheads or Revival, well,
No, they're more
maybe. Oh wait, you said they're new, right?
Sugar Hiccup.
New band.
No, they're formed in 1994.
Oh,
So I don't know if
I'm
it's
pretty sure I know like other songs, but this
well.
type
This
of
is
song, I don't know.
probably a more
Never heard
abstract one.
Mhm.
This is not gonna get big radio play. It's not gonna be a massive hit. This is for a different listening audience. Probably people that are smoking doobies. And this is definitely a marijuana smokers
Oh my god.
type of track right there.
Yeah.
I could see some people in the Philippines, late 90s, mid 90s, getting together with some herb and just listening to that song. Because it's experimental, it's weird, it's strange.
It's
But-
not weird.
It's not weird.
It's
That's
not weird.
well,
It's just
that's just a fill-in word for sort of abstract.
yeah.
It's different. Would your mom listen to that?
No, I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just different.
Would you listen to that?
Yeah,
mean,
I would listen to it.
yeah,
I would
I'm
listen to the
open
heck
to
out
it.
of it. I would get the vinyl of that, put it on, chill.
Chill, yeah.
Lay back, close your eyes.
Mhm.
That's cool. I liked it.
Can you go back to like the very high
The
vocalization?
the finale.
Yeah, finale, yeah.
but he will never be.
Like, almost reminds me of rock.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you're good now?
I'm good now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Any requests and recommendations, you can make
Comment
them down below.
Yeah.
Comment down below what you think of the video. Let us know. And yeah, let's get to that outro song. You're going to participate, right?
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I'm gonna exit.
No, you're just going to participate.
No.
Why?
I don't have talents.
Yeah, you do.
Like singing.